Just a cold start video of the 59 Cadillac. Show you the temperature in the shop here. 40 degrees. All right, do you want to get in the car there, Art? There's the LS. Go ahead. Go ahead. Walk around the back to hear the exhaust.